Hi, I'm Teddy, and as you can see, I'm sitting in the back of my 2008 Jeep Wrangler JK. It's four-door. Today we're going to be installing the Hookeroad cargo rack. All right, on the website, it says that it'll fit 2011 to 2018. This is a 2008, so not quite sure if it's going to fit. I don't know what they changed, so we're going to try to see if it fits. And I'll give you my first impressions and everything you need to know for the installation. To get started, you're going to need your Jeep kit to take off these back screws. You're going to need just an adjustable wrench and a 3/8 Allen key or hex ratchet. That's all you'll need. So when you order it, it's going to come with some nuts and bolts. I put the lock washer and then the regular washer. Set it up just like this. It's also going to come with two panels that look just like this. This is the cutout for the seat belt, so this is going to face the front. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take off these two bolts. We're using your Jeep kit. All right, so again, this part's going to be facing forward. You're going to slide it through the back and then tilt it. Line those two holes up and replace those bolts. Always start it by hand so you don't cross-thread them. And tighten it up. Repeat for the other side. All right, now for the tricky part. If you have a second set of hands, now's the time to go get them. If you don't, this is the way you're gonna do it. You'll grab the tray. You're gonna try to lift it up and rest it on the edges. It's not gonna work. So what you're going to want to do is grab a bolt ready to go. You're going to try to line it up as best you can, starting with the side opposite of the speaker. Put the bolt in, and then move on to the next part. On the other side, and then attach your nuts. Once all your bolts are in, you're gonna put the nuts on. Just hand tighten them to start. Last step, just tighten them down. So there you have it. It's installed. It's very sturdy. First impressions, I really like how it sits. Our goal is to have a mattress underneath, and it looks like we're gonna have enough room to do that. It's extremely sturdy. It weighs 44 pounds. It'll hold 300 pounds, which is more than you'll ever have on here. It also comes with this cargo net. so you can strap everything down.
One of our concerns was we have the rear seat recliner blocks. We were worried that it was going to hit.
But there was still lots of room. Overall, it's a 10 out of 10 for fit, 10 out of 10 for finish. And I really like the extra storage you get by having it. Definitely a must-have for any JK owner. Again, on their website, it says that it's for a 2011 to 2018. This is a 2008. Had absolutely no problems installing it whatsoever. I've contacted them and let them know that maybe they should change that. Anyways, let me know if you get it. Put it in the comments down below. If you have any questions, please ask. I will answer them as best as I can.